Fresh recruits of the new community police rehearsing a march past with an army band. This new force is required to patrol the countryside and villages to supplement the regular police force, which almost collapsed after the Swati Taliban forced them out.
Initially, there was problem because the local people, they were quite reluctant. But with the passage of time, the results are very encouraging, and we take 8 weeks to train the community police, and the results are quite good because they will help the police to control the situation and to maintain the law and order.
Despite the calm, security remains a primary concern, and people still have to prove their identity as they move around the city. As we drive out of Mingawara, the main town of the valley, past barricades and heavily fortified checkposts, we can see the challenges faced by the regular army. It cannot leave the area until the civilian administration is capable of taking over the primary responsibility of maintaining order. Life is returning to normal in the Swat Valley, but this is still a very militarized zone, and the real question is that if the military was to withdraw, will the civilian government be able to fill that vacuum? At this madrasa or religious school, the army says was the nerve center of the Swati Taliban, we meet an old lady and this small girl, said to be the mother and niece of Mullah Fazlullah, the top Swati Taliban commander. With her face covered and sitting on a prayer mat, she says her son will never compromise on his demand for the implementation of Sharia or Islamic law. The military says she is not a prisoner, but under the protective custody, amidst fear that she may be killed by the locals. The military also showed us these 2 burqa-clad girls, with their names pinned on their clothing, saying they had volunteered for a suicide mission.
मुझे दिन से बहुत लगाव था FM radio for Taliban.
After hearing sermons broadcast on the FM radio by the Swati Taliban, the brigadier in charge of the operation in Upper Swat showed us an assortment of weapons seized in the last 2 months alone. Life is coming back to the valley, with children returning to schools that were once favorite targets of the Swati Taliban. But while people are still willing to resume their normal lives, security fears still remain. The paramount concern as the leadership of the Swati Taliban appears to be intact and may still pose a threat to the fragile peace. Kamal Haidar, Al Jazeera, Swat.